Question 5 is 4 marks. Let's do it. The question says, here is a trapezium and a square. They gave you the length of this trapezium and they gave us the height as well. And they said the area of the square is equal to the area of the trapezium. This is the key to solve this question. And then they ask you to work out the perimeter of the square. That's very good. What I will do first, I need to find this area of this trapezium. If we do find that, then the problem will just be solved. So how do you find the area of the trapezium? The first thing I'll do is to zoom in so we can just see it clearly. Can you see it? It's better now, isn't it? Now let's find the area of this shape. The area of the trapezium is half times A plus B times H. What's A and B and what's H? So it's half times A and B are these opposite sides, so 24 and 30. So what's 24 plus 30? Let's just write it for now. Times the height. The height is this, so times 12. Very good. Let's solve. So it's equals to a half times 24 plus 30 is 54 times 12. That's very good. Now what I will do is I'll do half of 12. We can do that. So half times 12 is 6, because it's just half of 12, times 54. Now what's 6 times 54? This is a calculator, so just plug it in your calculator, but I'll do it mentally. So 6 times 50 is 300, and 6 times 4 is 24, so it's 324. It's easier than the calculator, isn't it? Always try to do your mental math. The brain is a muscle. You need to train it, just like you go to the gym. Yeah, give your brain some gym also. So 6 times 50 is 300, 6 times 4 is 24, so it's 324. I'm not flexing, guys, I'm just telling you. All right, so now this area is equal to the area of the square. That's very good. I square. So the area of this is 324. Now the area of the square is equal to the side times the side itself, so it's the side square, isn't it? The area of the square is just the side times itself, which is side square. So we can say 324 is equal to the side square. Now to find the side, you just do the square root of both sides. So the square root of this and the square root of that. The square root of the side is side, and the square root of 324. Can you do this mentally, Mr. Omar? I can't. So I just plug it in the calculator. The square root of 324 is 18. That means each side is 18. That's very good. Are we finished? Nope. The question asks us to find the perimeter. The perimeter is when you add, so it's 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18. So it's 18 times 4, isn't it? So 18 times 4 gives you 72. And that's the perimeter of this very nice square. And that's your 4 marks. How was it? Was it easy? Was it fun? Now let's go to question 6. Question 6 is even better, it's funnier, it's nicer. Alright, here's a field in the shape of a circle.